guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Hideout TV, where you can watch videos and you will be able to make money. So what they do is, these videos are being sponsored from like different kind of companies, and when you watch them, these people pay some amount of money for watching your video, so that they can get views and they can get recommended to different people. So Hideout Network is here. You can work with Desert Ninja. And so we first have to sign up. So let's continue with Google. Let's go with this one. And after you do it, you have to create an account. So I'm just gonna make it up. Um, Hamza 123 223. So you go and click here, and then you can start watching videos. And you can get points. Let's see. So you watch the video, and then you gain points. And I think you get like money for doing that. And there's going to be an ad where they're going to be able to make money. And yeah, so that's how it works. You like watch videos, and there's a list of videos that you can watch, and they will eventually pay you. And when you get paid, like when you get the points, you can transfer your points to your link accounts, like loyalty rewards program, and you can refer and earn money. Um, you get 10% of their earnings if you refer 500 users, 1 to 500, and if you refer 500 plus users, you get 15% of their earnings. And there's also free giveaways that you can do, and you can also do um, money by doing the offers. So there's a lot of offers that you can do. So make sure to go in there and use my code to get money, and so you can like easily get money and start earning money. Like this is an easy job that you can do. And that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. And again, all you have to do is just go to recommended and then watch it, and then you can start earning money, which the company itself makes money from the ads that that are being placed. So basically that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.